Mzuri. We are raising a generation. Get my brother Dudu siyakonga wasi. Yani the generation to what bone gana abantu bali very impatient. Batagete shortcut kokore bintu gete.
Eliyete watu meka agnori basi yake.
Yani batagete njira ya gati.
Yani bali
impatient. They are very impatient.
Yani
babu koganya nkoi
hata.
Yani muntu atagete akore gasi enkanya ore chibasi nyinge.
Kweli.
You know? Omwibuli geta angichani bwana. Akolero mwana oyenga na attachment yatagete gosenga yikagagyo cha utako no bora sikumanya banyagitali banda sinaru mwana arakora attachment nini bali no mwana oyo lakini boli mwana oyo bari yako mzuri. Yani ndonye ninjere kwa bwana ni manyomonto
kamera lijakora rati.
Yani ni manyomonto ra mokonya ni muri fara chio because apobri nyakiora ebonda. How do you look like?
Fast response.
Not even the fast response. We are having a generation etabu na onye interpersonal communications. Tuma itina kiyo introduce.
Ege kosi kete kire kivi yake.
Yani buema itino ena. Evo tura kumole ki tell us about yourself in the interview kabisa ya wegas.
Hata.
Ote ebenga my name is so and so kiro.
Kikuwa rekoro the dawn of the new year. Na likuwa rekomayanga abana buko na nambarabi. Obutukubu ogiro mwako muya. Oyo 2026. Kwale go yete street yo muchibo songo. It happened I was in town ikona tuwale tumugano mokongu
town gati
ya Busongo
we
ekegoriege kongu
by the way ekegoriege tubwata bona
ekekino ekegocha ngagigo chikoha ko magega.
I don't even know. And in fact abantu mbalenga bagocha no ni box yanenga oy monta kira jote tiboli nga nkonye kuli KISII
ebana
bona bakusinga. Do you really know what you want as I say?
Lakini I think kegorieke tima I think I babegete concentration yabo
utagete chibese but you don't know chibese chutagetinga kichikonyorekana unataka tu. That is why people are doing crazy stuff.
Rabana baba kenga ko banyoro botuke bisunde babwate chikamera chibichenchere bakale waka. I don't know nga chibichagete bakale waka botuko
ebintu byokolekana nako tebyense my brother Dudus ira nilinyasa embi yamononye kugete konywa momonto ko make sense.
Yeah, what did I do?
I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth.
Oye, wewe ndio ngorani.
As I'm masikani, I'm just saying this truly, and that is the position.
I think the system ngo chiri ko chinjigo jibosia
system kia
echikovanga na contract kama sama kana mari chito kama tokokora contract basis
unless you chigeli very debate kubunge
ero bakoro siboka into tu wana retire enchujo ora bana babere bwatijira. Because actually the generation here is a problem. I think I will do this over.